Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Steam download stuck error while launching Steam or while trying to play any game on Steam. So if you are also into the same situation, just follow the methods discussed over here. So the very first method is to exit Steam. So you can simply click on Steam option over here, then click on exit, or you can simply click on the arrow icon, select Steam, right click on it, click on exit Steam. So by doing this, you have to log into your Steam account once again, and after that check if the error is resolved or not. Or you can also run Steam as administrator. So for that you have to go to the search option. Now search for Steam over here, Steam, and here you will find run as administrator. Simply click on it, and after that check if the error you are coming across is resolved or not. If not, next is to check the server issue. So you should also check because of the server issue. Most of the time the server issue is on and you face such kind of problem, so you have to check if there is any server related problem going on and wait for some time, and after that check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to check your internet connection. So you must ensure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. So if you are using Wi-Fi, you can go to mobile data or restart your router once and then try to check the Steam if it's launching. You can also go to search option. Now search for settings over here. After that click on network and internet, go to your Wi-Fi or mobile data, check for another or change some other properties or change some other network. If you can disconnect previous one and enable another one, and after that check if the internet connection is resolved and the problem is solved or not. If not, next is to clear the Steam cache. So for that go to Steam option over here. Now click on settings. After that here you have to click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. So this will clear a local download cache and restart Steam. You will need to log into Steam again. So you have to click on confirm, and after that log into your Steam once again using your username and password, and after that check if the problem you're coming across is fixed or not. Next is to close background apps, or you can simply close Steam from the background. So for that you have to go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background process tab you have to check if any other app is running in the background that is creating problem, or you can also close Steam from here. Simply you have to select Steam and then right click on it and then click on end a task. So this will completely close Steam, and after that again log into it and then check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to change region on Steam. So this may help you. You have to go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now after that click on storage, click on downloads over here, and here you can see download region. So you can change this to any other region that is nearby to you, and after that check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next method is to check whether Steam is still in processing files. During installation it may be verifying the files or allocating some other disk space, so you may come across such kind of error. So you have to check if Steam is still processing some files and wait for some time, and after that check if the problem is resolved or not. Now after doing all the above methods, you simply have to restart your PC once and again launch Steam. So for that click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. After your PC restarts, again launch Steam and then try to download any game and then check if the error you are coming across, that is Steam download stuck, is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.